This week's tip is to how to log in to your PowerSchool to check your grades. So when you're on the GenBelly website, you're going to go to Parent and Students and go to PowerSchool Student Login. From here, you're going to type in your login and your password, and then you're in. So from here, you can check your grades and attendance, whether they're standard grades or regular grades and attendance. You can even go through your grade history. This is something that we'll always want to double check just to make sure that not only our grades are where they should be, but we can see where we might want to check in and what teachers we want to talk to try to boost up our score. You can also check out the latest progress report so that you always have a copy and can look back to reflect on how you've done.